Welcome to Wooranna Park Primary School. This is our grade 2 classroom. We are learning about puppets because we are going to put on a puppet show. I've been doing research on the computer about puppets. I've been learning about Indonesian puppets and shadow puppets. Did you know some Indonesian puppets are made out of metal?
Hello, my name is Frodo.
My name is Cutie.
At the start of the week, I thought that puppets were only marionettes, but there are more. There are sock puppets, hand puppets, stick puppets, and finger puppets, and shadow puppets.
Yes, muscles, bubbles, and rolling.
Our group has been working on a character called Motlop. He has antennas that spin around to make him fly. He has friends called Funnies and Spikesy. And he has a venomous tail.
It was very important that the children developed unique characters with rich histories, which naturally led into the composing of original stories.
Children's early improvisations of plays helped us recognise the need to develop stories which have meaning and a message about human nature. Collaboration on themes and story structures was an integral part of the play development.
Creating the visual puppet became a collaborative process whereby each child in the group contributed and negotiated the best characteristics of their own puppet to a class puppet.
Because now we will have to use
Fuzzy and tells him what
muscles fighting for his victim so
What's a cimetière? It's a graveyard, of course. Now stop interrupting.
Why does it get smaller as it gets closer? What's your theory?
The light that you're using is getting smaller because it's closer. The light that you're using is getting smaller because light only goes in a straight line.
What was that? I'm glad away now. Our baby brother has blood. I'll have a say.
Rocket ship. Sandwiches. Hey, that's not cool. No, not cool. I'm just nasty to other people. I'd rather be boring rather than standing cool.
Stormy, thundery night with lightning. On a dark, rainy, stormy, thundery night with lightning in the sky, the spidey sharks, really scary, flaming once the old stinky shell was sleeping in a puddle. He was the scariest monster in the whole universe. You think he was tall and gigantic, but he was only 32 centimeters. Stop playing brave like a sissy girl. Sneaking down from what like he was holding a ladder.
I need more help. I can't find on my own.
His baby, that's the sweetest dog. His heart is as big as a